Today we are going to discuss paper 1. Here the 12th question. ALU stands for. Answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit. And question number 13. A personal computer uses a number of chips mounted on a circuit board called microprocessor, system board, daughter board, motherboard. Motherboard is the right answer. Motherboard consists of all the main circuit chips. Okay, and it is connecting CPU, memory, and other components of computer. And microprocessor. Microprocessor is a chip only in CPU. And system board. System board, we can consider the standard answer of system board is motherboard. And daughter board. Daughter board is an expansion board, secondary expansion board. Computer virus is a hardware, bacteria, software, none of these. Computer virus is a software. A computer virus is a software, okay? And hardware. Hardware means physical devices which we can touch, okay? It is called as hardware. Bacteria. Bacteria is a biological term. It is not shown in computers. And so the correct answer is software, okay? Which one of the following is correct? I'm not telling the 15th question because it is a mathematical question which we have to solve, and whenever we will discuss mathematics, we will discuss this question there, okay? The file extension of MS Word document in Office 2007 is .docs. MS Word document. The document files are used in .docs. MS Office 2007 introduced based on XML program, XML format. Okay, it is as so the answer is .docs. And as usual, you know, PDF is portable document format, and doc, older word format, older document format is .doc. Okay, and text means plain text. See the 17th question. Dash is a protocol used by email clients to download emails to your computer. TCP, FTP, SMTP, POP. POP is the right answer. That means POP means post office protocol. There we can download emails from server to computer. And TCP means networking protocol. TCP means networking protocol. FTP means file transfer. FTP means file transfer. SMTP means used to send emails. Okay, SMTP used to send emails. So the right answer is POP, post office protocol, where you can download emails from server to computer. Which of the following is a source of methane? Methane is mainly seen in wetlands. Wetlands naturally produce methane due to decomposition, okay, without oxygen. And foam industry is not major methane source. And thermal plants, mostly you can say thermal plants in carbon dioxide, okay? And cement industry also emits carbon dioxide. So the methane source of methane is wetlands, where the decomposition occurs without oxygen, okay? So the right answer is wetlands. Minamata disaster in Japan was caused by pollution due to mercury. Minamata disaster is a poison which is shown in water in Japan. Okay, so Minamata disease or the disaster was caused by mercury. Okay, because it is there in water. It is shown in water. And lead causes poisoning. Okay, lead is a poisoning thing. And also cadmium causes ethyl disease. And zinc it is not a any poisonous thing, okay? So but the Minamata disaster in Japan, which is caused by mercury, which is shown in water. So the right answer is mercury. Biomagnification means increase in the concentration of pollutants in living organisms. Biomagnification means more, which is this biomagnification is a pollutant where you can see in higher food chain levels. Okay, you can see in higher food chain levels or the concentration of pollutants in living organisms. Okay, and number of species means biodiversity, where the concept of biodiversity can be shown. You can see there the number of species. Heights of organisms means growth, where you can see the growth of an organism. It is called as heights of living organisms. And biomass means total biological matter. Okay, where you can see the decomposing things. And biomass, total biological matter. So the right answer is concentration of pollutants in living organisms. Nagoya Protocol. Nagoya Protocol is related to biodiversity. Okay, the right answer is biodiversity. Nagoya Protocol deals with access to genetic resources and sharing benefits. Okay, Nagoya Protocol deals with access to genetic resources and sharing benefits. And climate change, as usual, we all know that climate change, Paris thing. Okay, Paris agreements or Kyoto Protocol is called as it will talk about climate change. Okay, remember that whenever you say climate change, you should remember Paris agreement or Kyoto Protocol. These both agreements are going to talk about climate change. And ozone depletion means Montreal Protocol. Ozone depletion means Montreal Protocol. Hazardous waste means Basel Convention. Hazardous waste means Basel Convention. Remember that Nagoya is